In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new strategy, a brand new method that's going to help you get some referrals for free on any site that you can think of. I'm going to be showing you everything in today's video, and I'm also going to be showing you where I actually found this website and why it's so popular and the way you can actually get referrals from this and how they actually help you out with this system, guys. And the way I found this is going through my Telegram down in the description of this video, and get started right now, guys. I'm mostly active in the Telegram more than I am in the Discord because I can actually chat with you guys through the voice system of Telegram. So you can see right here, this guy named Lobo Loco actually posted up the link down in the Telegram. So get started joining in the Telegram so we can chat it up together, so you can actually be there with me whenever I'm not on YouTube making videos. So guys, let's get started with the strategy that Lobo has sent me right now. So the website that I'm going to be talking about in today's video is actually called Invitation. So this is a really interesting website, guys, and it actually just so simple and so easy to get started. All you have to do is click the link down below. You can see I just got through posting literally just a couple of minutes ago one post and generated one view already, and I'm going to show you how this works in a bit. So in order to get started, guys, click right here where it says post new, and then once you have clicked on post new, you're either going to have two categories. You can click right here, I can't find the company I'm looking for, or you can click to your saved or you saved for products. So Doge, Crypto.com, Coinbase, and Cash App. So the reason why I chose these four is because I already have links for them. I already talked about them on my YouTube channel, and so I already have referral links, guys. So how easy it is to get started is just coming over here, clicking on one of these. So let's just do Coinbase. Let's click on Coinbase real quick. All it is going to ask you for is your referral link right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to my bit.ly real quick. So once you get your Coinbase link, guys, you're just going to come back to the side real quick. You're going to put in your referral link right there. We're going to paste it in. You have two options. You can click on done, or you can come over here and give a 5-star ratings. How would you rate your experience with this Coinbase? And then just start typing away, saving it in, and doing all of that information. Personalize your offers text on my profile, so you can just tell them, hey, you're gonna get this much reward, and then talk to them about the product. So you have two different options right there. The first one I just clicked is done, and that's it, guys. So you're gonna be able to do this, and it's gonna be automatically put inside of your Coinbase or inside of your account. So I have one for CoinApply, Invitation app, Coinbase. So all you have to do is just that. It is so simple and so easy to get started with. And you might be asking, well, Edward, how do you actually come over here and have people click on these links? Well, that is something I have just figured out. So keep watching this video, guys, and I'm going to show you that right now. It's going to be through this extension right here, guys. So once you have clicked on the extension, you're going to get an extension added to your Chromebook or your Chrome, Firefox, or Brave, and this one right here too. So it's going to be done on the desktop. So the way this works is once you have it connected to your actual browser and you go into like a website like moremoney.io, it's going to give you a notification inside of this extension and say, hey, you have options now. You can sign up under these people, you can get free stuff for signing up, or you can even post in your own referral link and be added to the list of this website. Now, how interesting is that? So you can go to any website like normal. So if you find a new website that you have never signed up underneath, and you go to that website, and what if there's a referral program added to that website and you get free tokens, free coins, free money for just signing up under somebody? Now you have a whole list of people that you can sign up underneath and help them out by helping you out, and on top of that, adding in your referral link once you have signed up under them. So that is a really cool strategy, a really cool invitation thing added to this system, guys. And you can see the leaderboards, you can see my matches, you can see a lot of stuff that people are using and doing inside of this platform, and in a way how profitable they are using this one software, guys. So this is the leaderboard. There's matches, there's tribes, there's invites, and there's all sorts of things inside of this one website that I would highly recommend you guys checking out by clicking the link down below to get started with this website and start to get some referrals to pretty much anything that you can think of. So there's also deals just added, categories bookmarked, products I posted, pages I've edited and recommended for you. So guys, this is it. This is the video. These are some of the websites that you can check out that have referrals underneath them, or you can just go over there, click on them, sign up under somebody, and just to get your referrals inside of the system so you can actually start to earn some passive income, to get some rewards and just stuff like that. Guys, get started right now. Links down below. See you in the next video. If you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.